In this tutorial, I will show you how to find input impedance of a circuit containing capacitor and inductor. Okay, so this is our circuit, and we will make this circuit on Simulink, and we will run this model, and we will find the input impedance like this. Okay, like complex form. Okay, so I'm opening my Simulink, and we need a capacitor. Okay, for capacitor we have to take a series RLC branch, because I want to simulate this on using specialized power system. Okay, so here is our series RLC branch. Okay, and the first one is our capacitor. Okay, capacitor, and it will be 1 millihenry capacitance. It's okay. And then we need a resistor. Okay, and resistor value is 100 ohm. Okay, and here similarly the capacitor will be here, and its value is same, 1 millifarad. And then we need inductor. Okay, inductor, its value is 8 henry. And the last one is resistor, and its value is 200 ohm. Okay, click OK. Now connect the circuit to make the desired circuit. Okay, this is almost done. Now to find the input impedance, we have to connect AC voltage source. Okay, so I'm taking AC voltage source, and we have to connect the AC voltage source to the input terminal where you want to find the input impedance. Okay, and amplitude will be like any value. I'm taking as 100. It doesn't matter, but we have to choose the accurate frequency. Okay, right? And here we have our omega value as 10. Okay, for omega value we have to find our frequency. Okay, so I'm going to MATLAB, and here I have written the formula here as omega value is 10, so frequency will be omega by twice pi. Okay, when I run this model, now you can see our frequency is 1.5915. Okay, I'm copying this value and paste it here. Okay, okay, now you can see our frequency is here. And here we need a power GUI block, as we are simulating specialized power system blocks. And here we have to select as phasor, and frequency will be the same value as 1.5915. Okay, now click OK. Now our circuit is okay. And here we need to measure the voltage and the current to find the impedance. Okay, so I'm taking voltage and current measurement block here. So this is our voltage and current measurement block. Okay, so I'm taking from and go to block. Okay, so this is our voltage, so I'm renaming it as voltage. Similarly, this will be our current. Okay, okay, now I'm taking the from block here, and it will be voltage, and another one is current. Okay, okay, and then we need a divide block. Okay, so voltage divided by current will give us the impedance actually. Okay, so I'm taking a display block. Now let's see what happened. And simulation time 1 second is enough, I think. Now run this model. Now you can see our impedance value is given as 149.5 minus 195.1 I. Okay, and here you can check the value is 149.52 J195. Okay, so that's all the way you can find your input impedance of your AC circuit. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.